Hey now, welcome to my channel, Kathie's Heart, the place where I share all things near and dear to me. If you're new to my channel, please hit the like, the share, the comment, the subscribe button, any other button you see on my page. And if you're returning, I promise, I don't bite. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share my page with a friend. You'll be so glad you did. Now come on outside with me where I'm going to show you how I harvested seeds from my mustard green plant that I allowed to go to seed. Come on out here. Bring a friend with you. Now these are my mustard green plants, y'all. Dead as a doornail, right? But no worries. We're going to get the seeds from them so we can grow them again. All right, now these are the mustard seed pods, which hold the mustard seeds, and I'm going to begin harvesting those, and I'm going to put them in this plastic baggie. All right, so I'm going to pick off the first one, as you can see right there. And then I'm going to open it up. See that? I'm going to open it up so that you can see it holds. Look at that, the little itty bitty mustard seeds. Isn't that exciting? Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start putting them into my little baggie there. Okay, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and continue that process, pulling more of them off and putting them into my baggie. Now I've seen some people break open the pods as they're harvesting the seeds, but I would rather just keep the whole pod, which helps me not to lose any seeds, and I'll just store them that way, and I can open them up and get the seeds out when I'm ready to plant. Now, if you were watching, you could see that that pod there had already opened up and the seeds had already fallen out. Now, see there? That's pretty simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the process until I get all of the pods off of the plant. Alrighty, it looks like I got just about all of them. So I'm going to close them up in the baggie, and then I'm going to write the date that I harvested them on, and that's it. Thanks for coming out and spending time with me. If you enjoyed our time together, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. See you again soon. Talk to you later. Bye.